Have you ever wondered what would happen if you ate just 2 boiled eggs every single day? Well, what seems like a simple breakfast choice could actually transform your body in ways you might never expect. From boosting your brain power to strengthening your heart and even helping with weight loss, boiled eggs pack some serious power. Let's break it down step by step. First things first, eggs are often called nature's multivitamin. Just 2 boiled eggs give you high-quality protein for muscle repair, vitamin B12 for energy and healthy nerves, vitamin D for bone strength, choline, a brain-boosting nutrient most people don't get enough of. They also contain healthy fats that keep your hormones balanced and your skin glowing. Plus, they're rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals and keep your cells younger for longer. In short, those 2 little eggs are like tiny nutrition bombs. If you're someone who works out or simply wants to stay strong, eating 2 boiled eggs daily is a game changer. With 12 grams of complete protein, they provide the essential amino acids your body needs to build and maintain lean muscle. Even if you're not hitting the gym, this protein helps prevent muscle loss as you age. And because eggs are easily digestible, your body absorbs their protein faster than many other foods. That means quicker recovery after exercise, less soreness, and steady strength over time. Here's something fascinating. Eggs are one of the best sources of choline, which is crucial for producing acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter linked to memory and learning. Studies suggest that regular egg consumption may improve focus and protect against age-related cognitive decline. So yes, those 2 eggs might actually make you sharper. Choline also plays a role in regulating mood, helping reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. That's why many experts call eggs brain food, especially important for students and professionals who need sharp focus daily. Most people don't know this, but eggs are loaded with antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which accumulate in the retina of your eyes. These nutrients help protect your vision, reduce the risk of cataracts, and keep your eyes healthy as you get older. Think of them as built-in sunglasses for your eyes. On top of that, these compounds also improve night vision, making it easier to see clearly in low light. And when combined with vitamin A found in eggs, they provide complete nourishment for long-term eye health. You've probably heard the myth that eggs are bad for your heart because of cholesterol, but here's the truth. Research shows that eating up to 2 eggs per day does not raise your risk of heart disease in healthy people. In fact, the nutrients in eggs may actually improve your good HDL cholesterol and support heart health. They also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and keep blood vessels flexible. Together, this makes eggs a surprising ally in maintaining healthy circulation and long-term heart function. Trying to lose weight? Boiled eggs are your best friend. They're high in protein, which keeps you full longer and reduces unnecessary snacking. Just 2 boiled eggs in the morning can boost your metabolism and curb your appetite throughout the day. That's why so many fitness experts swear by eggs for weight management. Plus, they're low in calories but packed with nutrients, so you get maximum benefits without overloading on energy. Eggs are one of the few natural sources of vitamin D, which not only strengthens your bones, but also supports your immune system. Pair that with their dose of selenium, and you've got a natural defense booster against illness. The calcium and phosphorus in eggs also work together to keep your teeth and skeletal system strong. Of course, balance is key. If you already have high cholesterol or other medical conditions, talk to your doctor before dramatically increasing egg consumption. But for most people, 2 boiled eggs a day are perfectly safe and highly beneficial. Also, eating only eggs without a balanced diet could leave you missing out on other vital nutrients. So, what happens when you eat 2 boiled eggs daily? Would you try adding them to your daily routine? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could use an egg-citing health boost.